Hello and welcome back. Today we are diving into the world of Alaska Airlines and how to navigate its login process hassle-free. Whether you are a frequent flyer or planning your first trip, this guide will ensure smooth sailing every step of the way. First thing first, let's head to the Alaska Airlines website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in alaskaair.com into the address bar. Once you have arrived at the home page, look for the sign-in option and click on Need to proceed. Here, you will be prompted to enter your credentials. If you are a registered member, input your username or mileage plan number along with your password. After entering your information, simply click on Sign In option. Now here you can even click on the Remember Me button if you want to save your login info. Well, if you have forgotten your password, you can easily retrieve or reset your password by clicking on the appropriate link below the login fields. Now same goes with your forgot user ID. You can click on that link and follow the given instruction. Well, if you are new to Alaska Airlines, you can easily sign up for a new account by clicking on the Sign Up for an Account button. Here you'll need to enter some of your personal information and create an account with Alaska Airlines. If you need any help with sign-in, click on that link to get some help. Remember, your Alaska Airlines account not only allows you to book flights, but also grants access to exclusive deals, manage a reservation, and even earn miles through the Mileage Plan program. Well, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Thanks for watching.